So now that we know what hacking is, let's try to understand what is cybersecurity. Let's have a look at this event in history, which kind of gives us a sense or a direction from which cybersecurity might have emerged. So when ARPANET was a thing, if you don't know what ARPANET is, ARPANET was the first computer network that was created. So in ARPANET, a malicious program called Creeper was created. What would Creeper do is, it would go to each and every system in the ARPANET and leave a message saying, "I'm the Creeper, catch me if you can." In order to deal with this Creeper, an antivirus software or program called Reaper was created. So Reaper was very similar to Creeper in terms of its working. The only difference is Reaper would go to every system and kill or remove all instances of Creeper. So this was this was an academic experiment which kind of showed us how people try to deal with something malicious. So let's understand what is cybersecurity now. Cybersecurity is a field of computer science that deals with protecting people, systems, and data. It is essentially about building defense systems around things that we're trying to protect. So there's a specific term that we use to refer to things which we're trying to protect in cybersecurity. We call that an asset. So what exactly is an asset? Well, an asset is anything of value. It is something that you are trying to protect. For example, companies protect their customers' data. As a user, I want to protect my system or my personal files and things like that. So asset is basically anything that you are trying to protect. So in brief, we can say cybersecurity is all about building defenses around your asset in order to protect them from unauthorized access or from threat actors.